Hi, Celo. Okay, so we are doing sound patterns again. So we have only color coded the letters that make more than one sound, okay? So we'll just go through each line and we'll read the sounds of each letter, the phonic sounds that each letter makes, okay? So for the ones that are not colored in or color coded, they only make one sound. So let's look at the first one. J, K, L, M. J, K, L, M. J, K, L, M. J, K, L, and M. The letter G can sound like G for grass, and it can also sound like J for giraffe. The letter C can sound like K for cat, and it can also sound like S for circle. So let's read that sound pattern. G, J, J, K, S. G, J, J, K, S. G, J, J, K, S. And the last time, G, J, J, K, S. The letter O can sound like O for orange, and it can also sound like O, like in the word oval. Okay? Now let's read the sound pattern. H, O, O, P. H, O, O, P. H, O, O, P. H, O, O, P. O, E, O, I. O for orange, E for injection, O for oval, and I for ice cream. K, E for elephant, S, E for evil. K, E, S, E. O, E, O, I. K, E, S, E. Okay, we won't have enough time for the last 4 sound patterns, so we'll probably read them in the next video. Okay? Peace out.